This big one?
That one goes to just the big one? Big one goes to the big one. And then I need the
Little one right here?
Thank you.
And if you'll start video, please.
Ready, Judge?
Yes, we're ready.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right, for the jury?
All right, everyone, please be seated. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's the court's understanding that you've reached a verdict. Is that correct? And is the verdict unanimous?
Yes.
All right, if you'll hand the form to Deputy Laura, please. Thank you. And Mr. Meyer, if you'll please stand. Count one, it states, we, the jury, find the defendant, John Stephen Meyer, guilty of the offense of possession of a controlled substance, namely methamphetamine, which by aggregate weight, including any adulterants or dilutants, was of an amount 4 grams or more, but less than 200 grams as charged in count one of the indictment. Count two, we, the jury, find the defendant, John Stephen Meyer, not guilty of count two. You may be seated. Is there anyone who wishes to have the jury polls? All right, ladies, and is that being polled as to count one only, I'm assuming?
Yes, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to ask you whether or not this is your verdict in count one. If it is your verdict, I'll need you to respond yes. And of course, the alternates were not involved in the jury deliberations, so alternates, you will not be responding, of course. And I will start on this end. Is this your verdict?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Sure.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Then on the back row?
Yes.
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 All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to have you all step in the back and wait for me there, and I'll come and speak with you. And then if you wish to, the state and the defense will have a chance to speak to you as well. All right, everyone, please rise for the jurors. All right, everyone, please be seated. So both parties, what I'll do in this case, because my understanding he's coming to the court for punishment, is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll set this for a PSI. Mr. Meyer, what that is that's a document that tells me a little bit more about yourself so I can make a decision on punishment. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Bashan, how long are we giving for PSIs? 6 weeks? Okay. Then it will be 6 weeks. And let me see. I'm not going to count this week. Ms. Abrams, do you want this on a Thursday or a Monday?
Okay.
All right, February 18th or March 18th or March 25th? Defense, is the 18th okay with you all?
Sure it is, Chad.
Okay.
I'm sorry, wait, that might be spring break.
Uh,
Is that spring break?
I don't know if it's part of spring break.
Do you mind if we do the 25th?
All right. Ms. Abrams, are you okay with the 25th? All right, then we'll come back on the 25th and I'll give you a reset form for that date.
Judge, PSIA and staff.
Yes. No. State, are you asking that he be taken into custody?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Meyer, your previous conditions will still stand. And whatever his previous bond conditions were, those will still stand. Excuse me. Could you find that too?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, so everyone, you'll have a chance to confer with the state. We're going to go off the record and I'm going to go talk to the jurors, and then state in defense, if you all wish to speak with the jurors, you may do so as well.
Your Honor, could I have a request? I don't think these two men would do this, but I would hate that anything was said about the other case.
Oh, no.
Up to you, Doug.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, no, that parties know that I don't ever allow that to happen. So no one does that. You're welcome. Oh,
Before.
Oh,
These
Adam.
things happen.
Adam, let me just tell you, I never have any concerns that you're trying to avoid trial or anything.
Thank you, Judge.
So,
I'm available, honestly, the rest is, well, tomorrow we're up for county court 12. I don't know if we're gonna pick on a case or not, but we can be in as early as tomorrow morning. I'd like to get this one done. I'm sure the court would too. I just don't know. It's a matter of, actually, is Hank here?
yes, Hank is. I tell you what, can you hang around a little bit and
Yeah, yeah.
we'll see if Hank can get his person?
That's not a problem. If I may, I just need to run right down the hall and check with him. I'll be
Sure.
back. But
Okay.
I'll leave my bag here and everything.
All right, awesome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Yes. All right, thank you. Okay, and is that on today's docket or no? Okay. Okay, all right, thank you.
How's the book? Oh my, Judge.
I know.
Too long for that. No,
I
it's not
know.
the book.
Okay, which one is she reading?
Don't let her, or yeah.
Don't let her say?
Yeah.
Okay,
I have too many things going on, ma'am. Too many things going.
all right, are you ready?
Almost, Your Honor. I've conferred with Mr. Garahan and I'll wait for Mr. Wilkins. I think I know what the upshot's gonna be. It's that we're on a second setting. We're gonna need a third. But I'll wait to make sure that Mr. Wilkins and I are on the same page.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, all right, thank you. And then you want me to send an email to all the judges too? Or no? Okay, all right, awesome. All right, could I see the file on Arojo? Oh, okay, so they're gonna proceed. Aurora. Arojo. Hey, it's my Louisiana accent. How about I just say Mr. Juan Pablo Arojo? I can't do it. I don't know what to do with those two R's.
You have the first part right, you just with the Y-O is yo, like a yo-yo.
Arroyo.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's what you should have started with. And I'm sorry, what date did I give Mr. Meyer?
Is that this, Mr. Meyer?
Yes.
I think it was March 25th.
All right, thank you. Deputy Laura, they wanted to know when his sentencing was. Could you let them know it's March 25th?
Yes.
Thank you.
No.
Let me see. Yes, I do. And here is this. All right, are you all ready on Arojo?
Yes, Judge.
Arroyo?
Yeah.
All right, could I have the stamp, please? Thank you. I'm gonna remember the yo. All right, the court is going to call 2020 CR 8731, State of Texas versus Juan Pablo Arroyo. Could I have the parties announced for the record for the state
Hallie Jackson.
defense?
Michael Bellable for Mr. Royal.
And are you Juan Pablo Arroyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Juan Pablo Arroyo who was placed on deferred adjudication? All right, we need to go off the record. All right. If you all will, Mr. Arroyo, if you'll take a seat and state in defense, if I could see you in the hallway for a moment. All right, Mr. Arroyo. I'm so proud of myself. It's the little things, the little things. But let me not get too cocky because then I'm going to mess it up. All right, we're back on the record in 2020 CR 8731. This is on a motion to revoke. State, any amendments?
Yes, Your Honor, on the motion to revoke, we'd like to alter and amend it to, instead of him being charged with burglary of habitation, he was entered onto deferred for assault, family choking, strangulation.
Any objections? All right. Then Mr. Arroyo, I'm showing you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Juan Pablo Arroyo who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 8731 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on June 23rd, 2021 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, we're proceeding on violation of condition number 2. That on or about the 16th day of June 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Juan Pablo Arroyo did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
We're waiving the rest, Your Honor.
Any
No
objections?
objections.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? You need to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, we are proposing that the defendant enter drug court.
All right, and if felony drug court does not accept him?
And the alternative, the state, that we don't have an agreement in the alternative, but in the alternative, state would recommend state ISF with the cognitive treatment track.
All right, is that the proposed agreement?
That is,
Probation?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Arroyo, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth, but nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Honor. Juan Pablo Arroyo.
All right, so how often are you using?
I'm using about a couple times a week.
All right, and here's the thing, it's very important that you're honest with me because both the state is trying to get you help. I'm trying to see if we can help you. But if you're dishonest, that tells me that we can't help you.
I've had a lot of come abouts with marijuana, usually because I was persuaded to or pushed up on it, especially with the people I come around to. And then I would always mess up and go back to it. And also done cocaine where I come around it
Mhm.
and done it.
Thanks, Jason.
All right. So here's the thing. You're going to have to use the tools that are given to you not to use, because there's only so much help we can give you. But if your default is always going to be, oh, I'm around people, they're using marijuana, let me use marijuana. Oh, I'm around people, they're using cocaine, let me use cocaine. You're not going to be successful. You understand? All right, I'm going to deny the motion, alternate amend conditions to include a referral to felony drug court. Be honest with them. Felony drug court is a difficult program, but it's a good program.
Anything to be able to see my kids and be able to hold them again. I
Well,
have 5 kids, Your Honor, and I don't want to mess up.
you have 5 children
Yes, Your Honor.
and you don't want to go to prison
No, ma'am. I do not.
because how young is your youngest child?
My youngest is gonna be 2 years old.
All right.
My
So,
oldest is 7. I'm sorry.
no. Youngest 2, oldest 7. This is an offense where you could go to prison for 10 years. If you were to go to prison for 10 years, and let's say you're not a model prisoner and they keep you there for the full 10 years. When you come out, your 2-year-old will be 12, won't even remember you. You understand? So you're gonna have to do better.
Yes, ma'am.
So alternate main conditions to include felony drug court. If not accepted, then it's gonna be state ISF. And this is to occur while in custody. Felony drug court, they may be able to get a chance to evaluate you this week since it's just Monday. But at the latest, it may be next week. You need to be 100% honest with them. You understand? And I'm gonna want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Just to be able to have strength to get through this, if possible. Just want to be able to come out, be clean, fix my life straight, and be able to be a better father figure and a role model for them.
Well, I tell you what, each time you're around people and you see them using and your default is to use, you need to think about your children. So don't come to court saying, I need to get better for my children, and then your actions are not showing me that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Probation, anything else? All right. Good luck to you.
Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Anyone else ready?
I have a somewhat of an announcement, Your Honor. We
Okay.
deferred this morning or the afternoon.
All right. What's your client's name?
Patrick Jenkins.
All right. Could I see the file on Patrick Jenkins, please?
He was initially set this morning at 8:30.
Oh, no, I put it at the,
Okay,
yes.
I just noticed that the clerk couldn't put her hands on it. There we go.
All right. Thank you. All right, Mr. Jenkins.
He's present.
Oh, come on up, please. All right, today is discovery. Do you have it all?
Yes, I have discovery, Your Honor. And I've provided some information back in the state's direction that they are evaluating.
All right, so I'm going to set this for a plea deadline date. It's funny, Norma sent me the email saying about through your 1:30. I'm like, I got it. All right.
I was relentlessly pinging her last week, not realizing that she was out sick.
Yes. All right, so we're going to recall this. Is February 8th enough time?
I don't think so, Judge. I think that that the decisions that need to be made on this case need to be made as I make my way up the chain of command. And my experience is it takes a little more time than February 8th for that.
And Judge, there's just a large amount of mitigation that defense sent Hank. We have to look at that and then talk to Tana.
All right. All right, I'm gonna bring you back on February 26th.
And may I check my calendar?
Sure.
Shortly, so I don't have to send whiny emails to Norma. I'll be here with you, Judge.
All right, we'll do February 26th at 9 a.m. and that will be your plea deadline date. And your attorney will explain that to you. Do you have any questions about anything?
No, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
May we be excused?
Yes, once you
And
sign that, you're excused.
thank you. And thank you for hearing me this afternoon.
Oh, no problem.
Have a good day, Judge.
Thank you, you too. Yeah. Okay, the jurors are still back there. Oh, that is so awesome.
The weekend for dinners.
Oh, my gosh.
Appreciate it.
I think they're gonna start coming back here as a anniversary.
I'm just gonna turn this in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure. All right. Just one moment.
Okay, good. I'll take your time. Thank you.
Two.
Oh,
Oh, I have two cases. Oh.
She's gonna reset it.
You gotta talk to her about resetting it. I can't do it.
Can't reset it.
No, I wish I could. I wish I could. You're on your turn, freaking. I'll tell you.
No sabe. No sabe nada. Sabe nada. No comprende. All right, I'll come back. 2:26, I got it. I shall return. Zoom, I have to Zoom.
Here. What's it? I have it right here. Yeah. That's it. That's everything. Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
See y'all next
Bye-bye.
time. You know, just-
Yeah.
My final hear about Zoom.
What is the case?
No, it's nothing.
Oh, no, she's supposed to be in here.
She's supposed to be here?
Uh-huh, she said today.
Even so, can we, can she come on Zoom?
She can come tomorrow.
What about Thursday? February 1st.
Nope, because she was supposed to be here today.
Thursday is just a better day.
You know what that reminds me of?
When-
What was the name? Yes.
Glad to play you Tuesday. So what about Wednesday? Okay. Tomorrow,
I appreciate that.
tomorrow, but you can't.
Come on, right?
Everyone, just Shanae Caldwell is going to be brought back tomorrow. Thank you, Mr. Cox.
It's like a mantelpiece.
It's really nice. Oh, it's beautiful. 22.
Yeah, 22 long rifle, lever action.
Oh, and Mr. Cox, that's the plea deadline date.
Plea deadline date?
Mm-hmm. Because today was plea deadline date. All right, I appreciate you. That reminds me when you would always say, tell somebody, you know, it's nice to see you, and they say it's good to be seen. Because the other option is you're not seen, I guess. So Temes, do you all want to go today, or I know you released your
I
officer?
released him and my suspicion is that he may have gone back to sleep since he works nights.
Okay,
So if we could get another date, Judge.
let's do this, because when is your thing for County Court 12?
Tomorrow, I really don't think my client's gonna show up. I've tried calling him the last 3 weeks and he has a warrant out for his arrest right now, but we are technically slated for jury selection tomorrow at 1:30 PM.
All right, Mr. Temes, what we're gonna do is you won't be brought over tomorrow, but we're gonna have your attorney here tomorrow so that he can let us know what's happening with his jury trial in 12. If he's not having a jury trial in 12, then we'll make sure you come back this week and we'll take care of it.
Perfect.
And
Okay.
could I just, I think I need, so it won't be tomorrow, Judge.
No, it won't.
Okay. No,
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 it's
no,
not
no.
tomorrow. That's just for him to come back so we can get a date certain and just go with that.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you, Judge.
I like that, definitely. It's just a bit of a weird week.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you there. Thanks. Yes, sir. Take care of yourself. Be in touch.
And on Thomas, can you make sure that you pull the file for tomorrow for Thomas?
Would you like them right now?
Yes.
We'll be here. I'll let you know. Hopefully we'll know by early afternoon.
All right, sure. And then Deputy Laura on Thomas, you don't have to bring him over. We're just getting a date.
While I'm doing that, you can start this question.
All right. Abelardo Garza. Hi, are you ready on Mr. Gerwitz?
I'm gonna start it then.
Oh, I didn't know that was a plea. Okay.
Oops. Ruth, I'm still thinking.
Rebecca.
All right, guys, I think this is our last case.
That receives it. Lately got a license to carry after this incident. He was only detained. Was it arrested? Like it was filed at large. Years later, or like a year and a half, 2 years later. So he was able to go show, hey, I'm a good faith effort, I'm a good citizen. Well, if you, I mean, it's like, you know. Sure. Have some, like, how would we do it? Sure. We can get a decision.
And that's just. True, and it puts y'all in the response. It's. You know what I mean? I feel like. If there's something in the code. There's no.
Thanks. Thank you. Appreciate it. It's a week long.
Yeah. It always does that. Yeah, when it's breaking out again. Okay.
Abelardo, are you in both of these cases?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I don't know. It has Todd McCray.
know. At least I thought I was on both of them. Let's see, Todd.
All right, can you check to see if Todd McCray is not on the case? It is 2024 CR 0230.
That shows topic Craig,
What about 31?
31 shows topic Craig.
You are on 10763.
Right,
Is that correct?
yes.
Yes.
Can you mute us for a moment, please? All right. Mr. Gerwitz, if you'll come down, please.
I didn't realize I was not on there.
Oh, that's okay.
I knew I was on it. 1 minute, I show up and have something, oh, what?
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 0230 and 2023 CR 10763, State of Texas versus David Lawrence Gerwitz. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar from the state of Texas.
Defense?
Abelardo Ressa for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Gerwitz? Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Gerwitz, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Waive, Your Honor.
State, in each cause number, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, on cause number 23, CR 10763, the state is waiting for.
No objections, Your Honor.
And then judge on cause number CR 0230, state proceeding on that.
Thank you. Mr. Gerwitz, in each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Did Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in 10763, you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 0230, you're charged with the offense of felon in possession of a firearm. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
I did, Your Honor.
And each cause number, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow that plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
We've talked about it, yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent, was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so.
Mr. Gerwitz, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promise you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? And each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And each cause number, I'm showing you the plea bargain agreement. Did you review that plea with your attorney? Did you understand it? And each plea punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There are no applications. The cases will run concurrently, and the state will take in consideration 2023 CR 0231. Did you understand that to be the plea?
You don't understand that, Ms. Smith.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea? In each cause number, I'm showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2024 CR 0230, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And in cause number 2023 CR 10763, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor, both state property.
No objections.
In each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? In each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient, in each cause number, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. And cause number 2024 CR 0230, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 5 years in prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 10763. The court will take in consideration 2023 CR 0231. And in that cause number, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. All right. And cause number 2023 CR 10763, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 0230. Take in consideration 2023 CR 0231. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. So what is this 5150 about? We know, don't we? All right, so here's the thing. Whenever you're marking up your body, which is fine, people want to get tattoos, that's fine. But you have to ask yourself, when you do that, what are you presenting to the world? And is that what you want to present to the world? Sometimes it's like, yeah, this is what I want to present to the world. I've represented clients before where they said, guess what? I'm not trying to impress anybody. This is what I want to present to the world. Got to make a decision. And you're going to have to quickly make a decision for you whether or not you want to spend the rest of your life in prison. Because of the nature of your cases and because of the fact that when you come back out of prison this time, you'll be habitual. All of these cases, these 2 cases that you had now, if you're habitual, your minimum is 25 years in the prison. That's the starting point. If you were to decide to go to a jury trial and the jury were to find you guilty, their starting point is 25. You're not eligible for probation from the jury. You understand? So you're going to have to make a decision. All right. Good luck to you. You're welcome. Have a good one. And do you have
I'd be
his-
excused her.
Yes, you may be excused. Thank you. Do you have his file on this one?
Yes, I do.
All right. And then we'll be back tomorrow at noon and we'll do jury selection.
At noon?
No, jury selection.